0. 0 is a number and a numerical digit used to represent that number in numerals. It fulfills a central role in mathematics as the additive identity of the integers, real numbers, and many other algebraic structures. As a digit, 0 is used as a placeholder in place value systems. Though people have understood the concept of nothing or having nothing, the concept of 0 is relatively new. It fully developed in India around the 5th century AD, perhaps a couple of centuries earlier. Before then, mathematicians struggled to perform the simplest arithmetic calculations. Today, 0, both as a symbol and a concept, meaning the absence of any quantity, allows us to perform calculation, do complicated equations, and to have invented computers. 0 and its operation are first defined by Hindu astronomer and mathematician Brahmagupta in 628. The discovery of 0 is the greatest abstraction of the human mind. It is not wrong to say that the concept or the invention of 0 was revolutionary in mathematics. 0 is a symbol for the concept of nothingness or having nothing. But the question arises from where 0 number first appears. 0 was fully developed in India around 5th century AD. A first time about 0 is talked in India only. In mathematics, it is really vibrant in the Indian subcontinent. First place to see the ideally 0 beginning to be born is from the Bakshali manuscript dating back to the 3rd or 4th century. It is said that a farmer in 1881 dug up the text from a field in the Bakshali village near Peshawar. It is quite a complicated document because it is not just a one piece of document, but it consists of many pieces written over a pace quite a century back. With the help of radiocarbon dating technique, which is a method for measuring the content of carbon isotopes in organic material to determine its age, shows that the Bakshali manuscript consists of many texts. 0 became an important part of the number system in India. Even in the past, mathematical equations were chanted in poetry. Words meaning void, sky, space represent nothingness or 0. Pingala, an Indian scholar, used binary numbers and he was the first who used shunya for 0 as a Sanskrit word. Brahmagupta, a scholar and mathematician in AD 628, first time defined 0 and its operation and developed a symbol for it, which is a dot underneath the numbers. He had also written rules for mathematical operations like addition and subtraction using 0. Then, Aryabhatta, a great mathematician and an astronomer, used 0 in the decimal system. From the above article, it is clear that 0 is an important invention of India which gave a new direction to mathematics and makes it more logistic. 0 in mathematics. 0 is the integer immediately preceding 1. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Many definitions include 0 as a natural number. Successive positions of digits have higher weights. So inside a numeral, the digit 0 is used to skip a position and give appropriate weights to the preceding and following digits. A 0 digit is not always necessary in a positional number system. For example, in the number 02. In some instances, a leading 0 may be used to distinguish a number. 0 in physics. The value 0 plays a special role for many physical quantities. For some quantities, the 0 level is naturally distinguished from all other levels, whereas for others it is more or less arbitrarily chosen. For example, for an absolute temperature, as measured in kelvins, 0 is the lowest possible value. This is in contrast to, for example, temperatures on the Celsius scale, where 0 is arbitrarily defined to be at the freezing point of water. Measuring sound intensity in decibels, the 0 level is arbitrarily set at the reference value, for example, at a value for the threshold of hearing. In physics, the 0 point energy is the lowest possible energy that a quantum mechanical physical system may possess and is the energy of the ground state of the system. 0 in chemistry. 0 has been proposed as the atomic number of the theoretical element tetraneutron. It has been shown that a cluster of 4 neutrons may be stable enough to be considered an atom in its own right. This would create an element with no protons and no charge on its nucleus. As early as 1926, Andropov coined the term neutramonium for a conjectured form of matter made up of neutrons with no protons, which he placed as a chemical element of atomic number 0 at the head of his new version of the periodic table. It was subsequently placed as a noble gas in the middle of several spiral representations of the periodic system for classifying the chemical elements. 0 in computer science. Binary numbers consist of only two digits, 0 and 1. This seems very inefficient and simple for us humans who are used to working in base 10, but for a computer base 2 or binary is a perfect numbering system. This is because all calculations in a computer are based on millions of transistors that are either in an on position or an off position. So there we have it, 0 for off and 1 for on. But that on its own way is it interesting or useful. Having a switch that is either off or on tells us nothing and doesn't allow us to do any math at all, which after all is what we want computers for. Without 0, there would be no algebra, no arithmetic, no decimal, no accounts, no physical quantity to measure, no boundary between negative and positive numbers, and most importantly, no computers. Today we take it granted that the concept of 0 is used across the globe and is a key building block of the digital world. But the creation of 0 as a number in its own right, which evolved from the placeholder dot symbol found in the Bakhshali manuscript, was one of the greatest breakthroughs in the history of mathematics.